Ngayong nasa gitna ka na ng exam week mo kapatid at hindi mo na alam ang iyong kakapitan, narito ang mga pangmalakasang tips kung paano mo maisasalba ang iyong pag-asang pumasa sa mga subjects mo ngayong midterms. Hindi madalas ang ganitong tipo ng content kapatid dahil hindi ako naniniwala sa mga shortcuts. There should be no substitute to you learning the precise language of the law because this is what would be required of you once you begin practicing the law. Narito ang mga tips na tinatago natin sa likod ng mga glass cabinet na may label lang na break glass in case of emergency. Here is how to instantly boost your exam performance. All of this and more coming right
This
up.
episode is brought to you in part by Ocho, 101 practice problems for lost law students and bar takers. It's a digital workbook designed to meet the bar syllabus. All of the problems are discussed in great detail. You can use it as a series of mock bars with discussions, or you can develop the almighty, all-powerful question-a-day habit where you sit down to answer one bar problem each night before you go to sleep. Pagkatapos mo itong sagutan, mababasa mo hindi lang kung ano ang tamang sagot, kundi paano ka rin makakarating sa tamang sagot. If you are a current law student, you can get a copy and answer the problems as part of your review for your midterms and final exams. Hihintayin mo pa ba kapatid na bumagsak ka sa exam mo dahil tama man ang iyong alam ay hindi mo naman ito maisusulat sa paraan na gusto ng iyong mga professor. Here you learn how to craft hyper-responsive answers, how professors trick us into the wrong answers, and what they're looking for in our essays. Grab your copy of Ocho, 101 practice problems for lost law students and bar takers through the links in the description box below.
Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Huwag na nating pahabain pa kapatid. Tip number 1. As you cram in the days and hours before your exams, always apply the Goldilocks rule. The Goldilocks rule is what helps us predict 18 out of 20 bar questions o kadalasan ay 12 out of 20 bar questions each year. It is the beating heart of the bar review program of the Lex in Motion community, and it is the reason why we're good at what we do. The Goldilocks rule tells us that when a topic is too basic, it will not be asked. If a topic is too simple, hindi yan lalabas sa inyong exam. This is because there is no more point in testing you in something you already know. If a topic on the other hand is too technical, it will also not be asked. Kung technical ang topic ay may malaking chance na kayo ay manghuhula laang, ay ang sakit naman sa ulong mag-check ng booklets kung hula lang ang inyong mga sagot at ang papangit pa ng mga sulat nyo. The Goldilocks rule tells us that about 80% of your exam will come from topics that are not too basic and not too technical. Kung saan maglalapat ang mga Goldilocks topics sa mga inyong tinambayan sa inyong klase. Asahan mo kapatid na may mga lalabas na tanong patungkol dyan. As you cram for your midterm exams, try and go back to your syllabus. Hanapin ang lahat ng mga topics na inyong tinambayan sa inyong klase. Piliin alin ang mga hindi masyadong madali at hindi masyadong technical at pustahan mo na ng aral. By way of public service announcement, alam namin kapatid na pahirapan ang pagpasok ngayon sa ating one-on-one coaching and mentoring program. Pasensya na kung ang dating pila na 6 to 8 weeks ay ngayon 3 to 4 months na. Kung sakaling kailangan mo ng tulong, narito ang workbook natin na 8 kung saan mas matalino ang pagtalakay sa Goldilocks rule. Tip number 2, always go back to your codal provisions. The codal is the purest, rawest form of the law. The codal contains the precise language of the law. It is how the law was written and passed down to us, the learners of the law. When you really think about it, cases are the interpretation of the codal provisions. Jurisprudence is how the law operates in the real world as narrated, dictated, and declared by the Supreme Court. All of their pronouncements do not come from thin air. They are always based on the codal provisions. Finally, when you really think about it, textbooks contain the codal provisions, followed by the most important bits and pieces from jurisprudence plus whatever it is that the author wants you to learn. Baka nga may mga textbook na halos walang ambag na parang caudal lang at wala ring ibang panimpla. If you are cramming for your exams, kumapit ka sa caudal. This is one way for you to instantly boost your performance in your exams. Tip number 3, hinga muna ng malalim. Before you begin reading and answering each item, huminga muna ng malalim. Malayong effective ang paghinto at paghinga ng malalim kesa sa iyong pag-oorasyon sa bawat problem. Deep breaths have always been an effective calming tool for thousands of years. Human beings have been doing this since the ancient times. Ang exhale mo nga daw dapat ay sumabay sa inyong pagbitiw ng pana o pisil ng gatilyo. Ang paghinga ng malalim ay aking natutunan ng aking kabataan. Ito ang payo ng aming coach sa bawat free throw na kailangan itira. At ito rin ang kailangan gawin sa bawat free kick o penalty na aming kinakaharap. Sa aking pagtanda, hindi ko na maalala kung sino ang unang nagsabi sa akin. Pero ang aking exhale ay sinasabayan ko na ng breathe in me, breath of God. Breathe in me, O breath of God. In the Catholic tradition, the breath of God refers to the Holy Spirit, and this quiet prayer, along with deep breathing, is a silent prayer I have uttered in all my years of law school. Sa aking pagtayo tuwing recitation at sa pagsagot ng bawat tanong, all the way up to the bar exam. Sa ngayon, ito pa rin ang aking dinadasal sa tuwing tatawagin ng aking kaso o sa pagsisimula ng bawat cross-examination. I hope I am making sense so far. Tip number 4, sumuko ka na kapatid. More precisely, isuko mo na kapatid. Narito na tayo sa gitna ng semester kapatid at hindi naman din ako siguro nagkulang sa iyo ng paalala na nalalapit na ang iyong midterm exam. Sino ka ba namang anak ng Diyos na mas pinipili mo ang extracurricular mong shit sa buhay kesa sa magbasa ka ng taimtim dyan? Sino ka ba naman na malakas ang loob na mag-volunteer sa inyong org or para sa bar ops mo? Sa jowa mong iiwan ka lang din naman pag pumasa. Sino ka na ba namang lintik kang kakain ka ng madumi sa kalsada o magpapaambon lang ng kaunti, dadapuan ka na ng sakit? Umaabot ka sa gitna ng semester na ito na nagmiminang manglang at nagpapalaki ng itlog. Bakit ka ngayon humihingi ng himala kung ikaw gay walang inatupag kundi magmalatuba? Honor your performance this midterm exam. It is what it is kapatid. If passing the course becomes a mathematical impossibility in the coming weeks, so be it. Be grateful that you fail here in law school versus in the bar exam. Versus in the real world where someone could go to jail because you messed up. Honor your performance. Isuko mo na sa Diyos ang lahat ng ito kapatid. Kung tinawag ka niya para maging abogado, asahan mong naisulat na ang iyong alamat bago pa man ito nagagampanan. Kung tinawag ka niya para bumago ng buhay, asahan mo na ang buhay mo ang unang babaguhin niya. Tip number 5, remember that your blessing is in your breaking. If you must be broken this week or the next, enjoy your breaking. You will be made whole in God's perfect time. Broken bones heal better in time. Broken dreams are broken dreams, but broken dreams are not impossible dreams. Kumapit ka kapatid, hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Salamat kapatid kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na to. Salamat kung sa ilang minutong nagdaan ikaw ay nalibang. If you would like to see more content on how to build your capability in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito kapatid, pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watched this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for good law school karma, and I will see you again next Friday. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong enrolin sa susunod na semester.